Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the keyboard is not working after Windows update on Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now, I am assuming that this issue is specifically after the Windows update because we have a very different troubleshooting for keyboard not working in general. So, right click on this. So first of all, search for device manager and open device manager. Then search for keyboards. Right click on the first keyboard and update its drivers. Right click on the second keyboard and update its drivers. I would have run the keyboard troubleshooter as well, but it has been limited. So right click on the start button and select settings. Go to the Windows Update tab. Select update history, select uninstall updates, and then uninstall the latest update. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.